Good day everyone. Today I'm going to explain my C++ program that performs basic arithmetic operation and value swapping between two numbers. First, the program starts by declaring the variables num1, num2, result, and swapping. These variables are used to store the two input numbers, the result of the arithmetic operation, and a temporary variable for swapping values later. After that, the user is asked to input two numbers. Once the numbers are entered, the program performs four basic arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For each operation, the result is calculated and displayed using the cout statement. For example, result equal num1 plus num2, then it shows the result is value. The same process is repeated for subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next, the program performs swapping. This means it exchanges the values of the two numbers. It uses a temporary variable called swapping. The steps are swapping equal num1, num1 equal num2, num2 equal swapping. After this, the first number becomes the second, and the second becomes the first. Then the program again performs all four arithmetic operations, but now using the swap values. This helps show that the values of num1 and num2 have indeed been exchanged successfully. And finally, the program ends with return 0, which means it has run successfully. In summary, this program demonstrates two key concepts: 1. Basic arithmetic operation using variables. 2. Value swapping using a temporary variable. It's a simple yet very useful exercise to understand how variables and operation work in C++. And thank you for listening.